everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So in the previous video we talked about that how you can update up the strings, right? What's the method for updating up the strings? Can you use up any inbuilt function or the predefined function for updating, or you require up a new function for the same? That all we have discussed in, right? Now today I'll be talking in about the delete strings with you people, right? That what's the method or how you can actually delete up the string, because one thing though is very sure that you can't use up the delete function which is already a built-in function in Python. The reason is because the strings are immutable, right? These do not support that respective thing. So that one thing is I'll say very much clear. Next, further if we're talking about now the delete strings function, so I'll just take this down over here. And now if I want to delete in some character, listen to my words very carefully. If I want to delete in some character from a string, okay, I'll just write that also. So deleting some characters from a string. Okay, about deleting up any respective character from a string. For that again I'll be using up some different concepts. So my main concept that I'll be using is my indexing and the string slicing, right? So if you haven't watched out that video of mine where I have explained about the indexing and the string slicing, very quickly go ahead and watch that out, because that concept is being used up into this particular topic over about the deleting of the characters from any string, right? Great. So I'll just try to make it up by a string. So I'll just try to make it up by a string, and it's the time it's gonna be like simple A. Okay. And let's say it's gonna be hello everyone. Right? That's my string which I wanted to define up over here. Right? Now what I'll do, I'll just try to first of all print this string. Print, I'll just write real string, and below that my real string will be printed, that is A. Okay. Now I will be deleting up a character from this particular string. Okay. So I'll write, let's say B. Okay. And now will come the use of my string slicing. Let's say I want to delete up this L. Let's say I want to delete up this L from here, right? What I'll do, I can't use a delete function because that's not allowed, neither remove I can use it. So what's the method which I can do in for removing this character? So listen to my answer. My answer will be, what I'll do, I will merge two strings together. I need to remove this L, right? So I will merge the index of 0, 1, right? And from 3. First merging will be first one which I'll take, that is my 0 to 1. Or I'll write 0 to 2, it will automatically take up till 1. I'll use a plus sign and I'll start from 3 up till the last length. So what will be done? My characters which are 0 and 1, those will be added, and my characters from 3 will be added. 2 will automatically be removed from my string. So everything has an alternative. If you can't use a predefined or a built-in function, then also you have an alternative for writing the programs, for doing those stuff. It's just that you need to do some brainstorming. You just need to apply some of your brain over there and then see how will that work in. So I'll just write in this program over here. So I'll write 0 colon 2. Automatically it will take up till 1 only, plus A. And now I'll start from 3 up till last. So it will automatically take up till the last one. So after deleting the character, Okay, so print statement is after deleting that character, okay? And after that I'm going to print up the B. Fine? Yes, and that's what is to be done up over here. And now I'm going to run this over here. So see what I got? I get HELO. One L has been defined. This L has been removed in from my string. And after that I simply got every one. My simple complete string I got, and from that my L has been removed also. So that's the way, that's the method how do you do up these things, right? Let's say, okay, I'll just copy this over here once. Okay, not copy, I'll just comment this portion. Now let's say I have one other thing. I just want to remove up this string between hello and everyone. So what I'll do, I'll count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So what I'll do 0 plus 0 up till 5, and from here I'll do up till 6, right? And see what will happen. My hello and everyone have been combined. My space that I was having between these two characters, that has been removed from here. That's the way, right? That's the simple way how you can delete up any respective thing, any respective character, I'll say, or any space, anything from your string. Now I deleted one character. Let's say I'll define up a new string. Let's say that is C. Okay, I am learning Python. Let's say my string, right? And now I want to delete up any word also over there, right? So what I'll write, I will first of all print C here, right? I'll take D also. I'll take C from here. Okay, C. And now let's say I want to delete learning. Okay, I want to delete learning. So I'll count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts with 5, right? Ends up at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ends up at 13, right? So this is what I have to do in 13. It will actually ending up at 12, but we know we need to take one character more so that it follows the rule, which is n minus 1, right? And what I'll do, I'll just add up from here up till here is done. This has been removed, and then I'll take again the C and I'll add Python. So 13 is my space, right? So it will be 14 colon. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just try to print it over here. So print D. Now it's the time for running this over here. Let's check it out. So see what I got? Learning Python, right? So what it did, see, okay, I am sorry, I needed to remove it out. So for removing, I need to print from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to follow 0 to 5. Now it will be all okay. Now I got what is this? I got am Python, right? So yes, that's now one I didn't need to use. I did 0. Let's run it once again, and that's all good. I am Python. So learning has been removed in from this particular sentence. This is my output, and from this was my real sentence, right? Perfect. So I hope you are pretty much clear that how can you remove up some or the other stuffs from your I'll say from this particular string, right? If you want to remove up a character or a word, how you can do that without using any predefined or built-in function, right? I hope I'm clear with that. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like this video, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you there in the next video.